Maybe it's much too early in the game. Oh, but I thought I'd ask you just the same. What are you doing New Year's? New Year's Eve. Wonder which arms will hold you close and tight when it's exactly 12 o'clock that night, welcoming the New Year, New Year's Eve. Oh, maybe I'm crazy to suppose I could be the one you chose out of the 1,000 invitations you receive. Oh, but if I could stand just one little chance, here comes the jackpot question in advance. What are you doing New Year's? New Year's Eve. Sing it. Maybe I'm crazy to suppose I could be the one you chose out of the 1,000 invitations you already received. But if I come to stand just one little chance, here comes the jackpot question in advance. What are you doing New Year?